Tell me about this cabbage here.
We've experiment to planting the veranda.
What type of experiment?
By planting it in a banana mask or what? Banana stem or what do they call it? Lumaki ground going set na. Lubangan na planning to avoid snails. So this is the outcome.
And what's the banana stem that you used to plant
Step
this
outside.
cabbage, yeah?
Step outside.
Can you show me first and I see it?
Okay, go outside and see it. It's on the veranda.
Huh?
It's on the veranda. May lumaki ground. Go inside. Now may plan him on. And I think after 3 months or 2 months. And this is the first harvest.
It's very interesting.
Yeah. And these ones are the new ones.
Where?
Ready for transplant. But I'm still sick. So I don't know when will I plant them.
So where did you get the idea to plant it? Huh?
YouTube. From a farmer. I forgot his name. It's from Thailand.
Do you think it will work?
Of
They will
course.
grow properly or what?
Yes, it's. So next time I want to try it on a round cabbage. So you'll buy me some packet of round cabbage seeds when you go to Kimbe.
I forgot the price. How much do they sell the seed for?
28 kina for one big packet.
So that means how many banana stem you're going to cut down to plant all this?
No, I'm planting them in the bags. I want to try it in a bag. But this one I'll remove it and make new ones.
So when are you going to remove it? Is it ready for harvesting to eat now or what?
Yeah. But only if there's no kumu in the house.
So this style of planting the cabbage here at Area 7, are there other
No, I'm the
people
first
who are
one.
planting it also, or you are the only one?
I'm the first one.
Okay.
And now, there's some people trying to do it. Because they saw me uploaded my activities.
You uploaded your cabbages on what? YouTube
Facebook.
or Facebook?
Yeah.
And what type of comments did you receive?
Oh, so many good comments.
Mm.
And the Lord said you want to try it.
Okay, that's exciting. I hope you succeed in your planting of more cabbages and try to come up with more techniques of how to plant your cabbages.